In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and 4K camera GPS Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The 4K camera GPS drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera that captures high-resolution images and videos, providing a rich and detailed view from various angles. The drone is designed with brushless motors and comes with 2 intelligent batteries, supporting a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a long range of up to 1 kilometers. This GPS drone features a follow me, tap fly, and circle fly function, enabling users to capture perfect shots automatically and film like a pro. It also boasts a GPS auto return feature, ensuring high precision flying and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the press of a button or in low battery and signal lost conditions. The drone is equipped with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AAA batteries, and the drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel, aerial photography, and outdoor activities. The HS360S GPS drone and the 4K camera GPS drone are both impressive gadgets, each with their own unique features that make them stand out. The HS360S GPS drone, though lightweight, is equipped with a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, offering stunning image quality. It has a control range of up to 10,000 feet, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function. On the other hand, the 4K camera GPS drone is known for its long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a range of up to 1 kilometers, supported by 2 intelligent batteries. It also comes with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AA batteries. Both drones are user-friendly, equipped with 4K cameras, and offer advanced features that enhance the flying experience. However, the HS360S GPS drone stands out with its advanced connection technology that allows real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi, while the 4K camera GPS drone boasts a longer flight time and range. In conclusion, both drones offer great value for their price and are suitable for both beginners and experienced users, with the choice between them depending largely on the specific needs and preferences of the user.